1113 First Avenue West, dates June 14th, 2022. I'm making this recording from the open excavation here out in front of the doors down here at 1113. Push the camera, this is upstream, so we're pushing up from our excavation. This is about 30 some feet up the line. There's a section of PVC connecting to the original old clay line. There's a PVC connected to black plastic pipe that's then connected to the original clay line. So here's where that clay line's starting. Back down here we cleaned out a couple of sections of minor root intrusion. And here we're back into the PVC down here by our trench. So 20 feet or so, 20 some feet of that original clay between the plastic up top and the plastic down here at the bottom. Here's that open excavation.